Dear friends, we continue to inform you about what is happening on the Ukrainian front line, Kupiansk direction. Russians are actively attacking on the eastern flank of Sinkivka. A lot of them have gathered in the forest. They are constantly adding new troops to bypass the village. Lyman direction. In the direction of Terna, the pro-Russian militants advanced 200 meters on the southeastern flank, using tanks and armored vehicles. Ukrainians are trying to gradually hold them back, as they also have some problems with artillery. Repulsion of a mechanized assault. 9 pieces of equipment are visible in the video. A drone destroys a Russian militant and a T-80BV tank with a drone drop, east of the village of Bilosorivka, Luhansk region. Bakhmut direction. In Bakhmut, near Bogdanivka, Ukrainians are trying to repel enemy attacks. Russian aviation is also trying to throw K-500s at Chasiv Yar, and Russians are slowly approaching the outskirts of Ivanivsky. Russian armed forces advance south of Vasyukivka, Avdiivka sector. The Russian Federation armed forces advanced by 0.14 km south of Severna. Night battles. A soldier is filming destroyed Russian infantry, and at the end of the video an enemy is captured. An abandoned and damaged Russian BMP-1 is seen. Avdiivka, Donetsk region. Destruction of a Russian BMP-2 with the help of FPV kamikaze. Avdiivka coca plant, Donetsk region. Mariinka direction. Ukrainian armed forces retreated 0.98 kilometers southeast of Pobeda, Zaporizhzhia direction. The village of Robotin. To the southeast of the village, the Russians made progress, and the Ukrainian armed forces retreated 176 km to the south and west of Robotin. An FPV kamikaze hits a Russian Ural 4320 near the village of Verkhnya Krynytsia, Zaporizhzhia region. Kherson direction. Ukrainian armed forces retreated by 0.12 kilometers in the east of Krinky. FPV kamikaze makes a resemblance to a Russian militant. Krinky, Kherson region. As a result of 7 weeks of war in 2024, Ukrainians liberated 0.2 kilometers and lost 48.96 kilometers. The Russians captured 54.43 kilometers and lost 1.14 kilometers.